Hi guys, my name is Carly Smith.
And I'm Mariah Kane.
And we are the summer interns at the West Pot Extension Office this summer. So we have some very exciting news to share with you. We just received our butterfly garden in the mail, and we haven't opened the box, so we thought we would share that experience with you. So let's get started.
All right. So here are our little caterpillars that we got in the mail. There are 5 of them. You can see them.
It looks like they're eating.
Yeah, they've already started to eat a little bit.
All right. Over the next couple of days, they're gonna grow and grow and grow. So we'll watch those
And keep you guys updated. The next thing we have is our little butterfly log. This is what we're going to use to hang them in their chrysalis so that we can watch their transformation.
It looks like they provided us with some butterfly feed, and here's our little butterfly feeder. So once they turn into butterflies, we will feed them with these.
We've also got some instructions in a guidebook, as well as our butterfly journal that we're going to use to keep track of everything throughout this transformation.
And finally, we have our butterfly garden. So it's just a little pop-up, and once our butterflies come out of their chrysalis, we will get them put into here. And it looks like we also have a little eyedropper, so we can put their food in here.
This is where our butterflies are going to stay throughout their transformation. So once they get a little bit bigger and turn into their chrysalis, we're going to put them on this log and keep them in our little butterfly habitat until they're ready to be released.
So this is about a 13-day process. So join our YouTube page and you can experience this with us. We're super excited.
And we hope you follow along with us to watch this amazing transformation.